So the next part of this video is looking at the chemical production of biodiesel. And obviously from what you can see here, it's about the structures involved and the actual chemistry behind turning triglycerides found in oil into methyl esters, which are down there, which is our biodiesel. So what have we got here? We're starting off with a triglyceride above me. So this is the compound that you see in oil. It's a massive compound, but it's got three main regions. You've got this 3-carbon chain along here. That's the glycerol region of my triglyceride. It's connected to these R groups, which are long chains of carbon, via 3 ester linkages. So this is my triglyceride, and what I'm doing is I'm going to react that with 3 methanols. So 3 methanols will react with my triglyceride, and what's going to happen in this reaction is that these 3 ester groups are going to be broken, and you can see down here we get 3 individual methyl esters. And obviously, if those ester groups are broken and you get those 3 things coming off it, you're left with actual glycerol left over as well. So I have my triglyceride reacting with my methanol to produce my glycerol and my 3 methyl esters. Now, the mixture that you actually end up with when you do this reaction kind of looks like this here. This is the mixture of my glycerol, which is my browny substance down the bottom there, and my methyl esters, which is the clearer, fuel-like looking substance there as well. So when you do this reaction, you get 2 separate layers. The one thing I haven't shown you in this diagram is the fact that in order to really easily break these ester linkages up, we need a catalyst, and that catalyst is normally potassium hydroxide or sometimes sodium hydroxide. This catalyst basically lowers the activation energy needed to make this reaction happen, and it does it by pretty much just really ripping the fatty acid part of my triglyceride away from my glycerol. So it initially breaks that bond to allow the methanol to join to those fatty acids. So this is called a trans-esterification reaction because I'm going from I'm going through my esters in my triglyceride, and then I'm producing esters again. So we're going trans-esterification. So from one ester to another ester. And you need to understand this is the process. You should be able to write out or draw these types of molecules and also know the ratio of reactants. Remember, 1 triglyceride to 3 methanols provides 1 glycerol and 3 methyl esters. There it is.